Manchester United win a game. Win a game. What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel, fam. This is your boy Rome. This is the fourth official. We're gonna get into it. Make sure, please, drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. It's very economical. It's very cheap. It costs anything. Please, just drop a like and subscribe to the video. Thank you. What the fuck did we just see? Andre Onana. It's almost a given now that he's going to give away a goal every game. So I guess we just have to prepare to score 2 or 3 goals every game, and maybe more. It depends on what the opponents do. Because this man can't save him bank book. He can't save a secret. Listen, I'm going to give him flawless what he did in the Champions League final. Yes. But Andre Onana, you need to do better, fam. That was too easy to go under your goal. No, go to the side your palm under your hand, brother. Come on. Come on. Casemiro, what the fuck are you doing, fam? Now, make life feel. 3 man there say a pass, but we are the brother. What the fuck did we just see? Eric Ten Hag picking a team fluent that should suggest strength in the midfield. Should. But Casemiro and Amrabat, they don't look good together. After that game. Because the ball is not progressing in the midfield. And it's evident because at halftime, hook off Casemiro, bring on Eriksen, and then the football start to play. They didn't have a lot of security in the back line, but still, you still see the football starting to play. What the fuck did we just see? Rashford, you need to step up. You need to step up. As a matter of fact, you don't need to play in the next game. You don't need to play in the next game. Go from the bench because, my word, you're sloppy this year. I was saying Rashford is world class. World class because in 430 goal last year. And I'm not seeing that this year, fam. I'm not seeing that this year. That team shot they're making in the first half, come on, fam. Come on. What the fuck did we just see? Cut McTominay. 2 minutes. 2 goals. 2 passes. What else can I say, fam? Scott McTominay. You haven't played all season. Couple minutes here or there. We are coming with the name by your badge, with the love we have for the club, and you put your head out there and you say, I'm going to win the game for Manchester United. Because God knows we need it. God knows we fucking need it. Because the entire team is just withering. So thank you very much. Thank you so very much for that win. Our injuries coming back again. You thought it was over? Varane injured. He's out for a couple of months. I don't care what they say. He's out for a couple of months. Lindelof, hold him back. Either from the drop over Amrabat. I keeper when we look up on him side, but me showing ribs mash up, which means Lindelof out because you can't recover from that. Trust me, I know. Knee, find the keeper in your ribs. If that no bruise, it can't breathe easily. Don't feel Lindelof. More injury after injury. What the fuck, yo? People, make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Bless yourself. Best of all us. Manaz.